Hey everybody, so our time is ending here in Casa Grande, Arizona. We're packing up today, downsizing stuff, so this is pretty much all we have left. This is what it looks like when we are taking off from a place. We've got our bikes, we just got this grill while we were here, got my outdoor stuff and our chairs. I still have our other chairs. We put our front yard up in storage. I'll miss it. So all we'll have to do is do the hoses and the electrical lines. And then this will go up, so the winch is connected. And we'll just raise this guy up and lock it in place with these are the little cotter pins that we use, and we'll keep it attached to the winch too, just as like a secondary. But yeah, this is it. We're pretty much packed and ready to go. We also picked up the stabilizer jacks. After we took the toolbox off, the stabilizer jacks were off the ground by like this much. Wow. Like, that was crazy. So yeah, this is it. That's what we have left, and it's gonna be like way easier going to and from places without all of our stuff. I'm super excited about that. The trailer that's there, we're actually gonna be leaving it for some friends to use. So this is it. We're all set. Okay, so this is the inside of the house. We're packing up. We're all packed up. Just gotta take my screen down, so we just have everything off the shelves, off the counters, anything that was hanging, anything on the windowsills. I put my toaster oven in here while we travel. It kind of like keeps it from moving around and everything. And then you can't really see, I just turned the power off, but I have like our dog food and the cat litter in there, and that keeps it from sliding around. And then in the back, I have so much less stuff this time. We only have 3 boxes with just like everything that was on the counters, our dishes, and then our TV will go here. We just laid on the bed face down so nothing falls on it. But that's it, and it's gonna be super easy. Usually I had like 6 boxes to unload, and we would have to move it if we stopped somewhere. So anyway, this is it. We're all ready to go.